Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to set up Google Workspace email with Squarespace. The first thing you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you already have an account with Squarespace, simply enter your username and password in the login fields. If you're new to Squarespace and don't have an account yet, you will need to click on the Create Account option, which you will find in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you click Create Account, you will be given several options for signing up. You can choose to continue your Google account, which is a fast and easy way to sign up if you already use Google for your personal or business email. Simply click the Continue with Google button, and it will prompt you to log into your Google account if you are not already signed in. If you prefer to use your business or work email instead, there's an option to continue with that as well. Just enter the email address and follow the steps to create an account. This is a great choice if you're looking to keep your Squarespace login tied to your work-specific credentials. For those who don't want to use Google or their work email, there are additional options available. If you prefer, you can sign up using your Apple ID or Facebook account. Simply click on the More Options button, and it will give you the ability to use either Apple or Facebook to create your Squarespace account. Using your Apple ID might be convenient if you are an Apple user and want a seamless login experience across all your Apple devices. No matter which method you choose, the platform will guide you through the process with simple, easy to follow instructions. It is like having a friendly tech savvy guide right by your side, but without the weird small talk. After you fill out the required information, don't worry, it is not a novel length form, and agree to any necessary terms or permissions. You know, the fine print no one reads. You will be all set to start building your Squarespace site. It is that easy, just like assembling furniture, minus the extra screws left over. Once you are here, setting up a professional email address with Squarespace and Google Workspace offers numerous advantages for both businesses and individuals. For both businesses and individuals looking to elevate their online presence. By using a custom email address tied to your domain, example, your name at yourcompany.com, rather than relying on a generic email provider like Gmail or Yahoo. You instantly boost your credibility and professionalism. For businesses, a professional email address is a key part of creating a trusted brand image. It helps differentiate your brand from others and provides a consistent, professional touch in every communication with customers, partners, and clients. People are more likely to take your emails seriously when they see an address that aligns with your domain and brand identity, rather than a generic or free email service. A custom email address also reinforces your brand's identity. Every time you send an email, you are subtly promoting your business and ensuring your communication is tied directly to your brand. This is especially important for small businesses or entrepreneurs as it helps to establish legitimacy in the eyes of your audience. When customers see your brand name in your email address, it reinforces the image of a well established, trustworthy business. Furthermore, Google Workspace offers the ability to create these custom email addresses, giving you full control over your email branding. Instead of using a generic gmail.com or yahoo.com email address, you can create professional address that reflect your business name or personal brand. For example, you can have email addresses like support at yourbusiness.com or john.doe at yourcompany.com. This not only elevates the perception of your company, but also allows for easier organization of communication, as you can set up specific email addresses for different departments, teams, or services. In addition, Google Workspace includes advanced features like shared calendars, cloud storage, and real-time document collaboration, all of which help improve productivity and communication within your team. With your custom email domain, you can seamlessly integrate with these tools, streamlining your workflow while maintaining a professional appearance. You have two options to do this. First, go to the upper right corner of your account and click on the account dashboard. This step might differ from yours, but in my case, I just click on the domains or the email option. Alternatively, you can go to the lower left corner and click on settings, then click on domains and email. Here, you will see an option to sign up for Google Workspace on a monthly or annual subscription. When you click on it, there's no Google Workspace account integrated yet. And as you can see, you don't have any eligible domains for Google Workspace. From here, you can click Get a Domain to get a new one. Or another option is to go directly to Google Workspace itself. You can try Google Workspace for 14 days to take Gemini for a test drive. The most popular plan, which I am using right now, is the Business Standard at $12.60 per month. This gives you all these features: custom secure business email, 150 participant video meetings with recordings, 2 terabytes of storage per user, security and management controls, and meetings with recordings, and standard support. If you're just getting started, you might want to go to the business starter at $6.30 per month to take advantage of all these perks. If you're looking to scale up and want to try the enterprise plan, you will need to contact sales for pricing, and they will give you a live demo of how to make the most of it. But just know it costs quite a bit. So be sure to consider that before. Diving in. You can start your journey with Google Workspace, and I suggest the Business Starter at $5 to get started. It includes all the apps plus Gemini AI, a helpful assistant. If you have any questions, click the chat button, and support will help you get started with Google Workspace, which includes a custom email, video conferencing, document editors, and much more for your organization. If you feel lost or uncertain at any point during the navigation process, don't worry. Google Workspace offers comprehensive support through its admin help section. This resource provides detailed, step-by-step guidance on everything you need to know, including how to set up Gmail for Google Workspace, configure your email settings, and manage your account. Whether you are a first-time user or just need clarification on a specific task, the admin help section is designed to guide you through each stage of the process. The help section includes easy-to-follow instructions, troubleshooting tips, and even video tutorials to ensure you can confidently set up and manage your professional email and other Google Workspace tools. If you encounter any challenges, this resource is a great way to quickly find solutions and keep everything running smoothly. Additionally, you can search for specific topics or solutions related to your needs, which makes it even easier to get the help you need without wasting time. Google also offers a robust support system, so if the help section doesn't resolve your issue, you can reach out to their support team for direct assistance. You must use the Google Workspace Setup tool to complete tasks. When you click the button, you will be directed to a new page where you can invite team members, use Gemini to save time, collaborate in meetings, and access recommended apps. There's a lot you can do with this setup. Remember, you also have access to Squarespace Help Center, where signing up for Google Workspace is easier when done directly through Squarespace. Before you begin, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, and then you can connect your custom domain to Squarespace. And that's all there is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.